Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install the Pocket app. All right. So first up, you gotta open up your Play Store or App Store. Okay. Open it up. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, just gotta straight up use the search bar or the search function. Just tap on it. Now type in Pocket app. All right. Tap on it. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, you just gotta tap on this Pocket app. Just says send and manage money. Okay. Just tap on it. Got a purple icon. Tap on it. Now tap on install. Okay. Tap. Wait for the installation process to finish. All right. As you can see here, it's done. Just tap on it to open up the app. And once done, just sign up by just tapping on create an account or log in if you have an account. Okay. And there you have it. That's how you install the Pocket app. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.